Good morning, everyone. We are continuing lesson number 6 and we will discuss the topics add a border and shading in a document and use of find and replace. First, we are discussing the use of border and shading option. Children, this option is used to set a border around a page or paragraph and to fill color in a paragraph. To apply border and shading, first we will select the paragraph and then we will click on a border button that is available in a paragraph group. Paragraph group में एक button है that is called border button. When we click on this, a list appears. In this list, we will select the last option that is border and shading option. Now, carefully see in this dialog box there are three tabs. Tabs that is on the top: border tab, page border and shading tab. So first we will use a border tab. Border tab is used to apply border around a paragraph. Okay. There are various settings are given in this dialog box. Now, first of all, in the left side we will click on a box option. If we want a border, simple border, then we will choose a border option, box option. Even we can choose a shadow and 3D also. So in this example we are clicking on a box option, and right side select any type of border style, then color and width of the border, or right at the bottom right side apply to paragraph and then click on a OK button. See, border will be applied to the selected paragraph. So this way we will apply border to a paragraph. Now we will learn how to apply a page border. For this, again in the same dialog box we will click on the page border tab and then we will click on a box option. We will select the style of the border, color of the border, thickness, and this time we will use apply to whole page. Okay, not a document, apply to whole document, and then we will click on a OK button. See, page border will be applied to our document and this page border will automatically apply to all the pages. Next, we will use a shading tab. Now what is the use of shading tab? Again I am telling you, shading tab का use है to fill the color in the selected paragraph. So we will go to the shading tab. There is a fill list box. Select any color and then apply to paragraph and click on a OK button. Now see the effect. Color will be filled in a paragraph. Okay. So this is the use of border and shading option in Microsoft Word. Now we will switch to the other topic, that is find and replace option. Find and replace option is used to find any word, phrase or sentence in our document, and replace option is used to replace that word that has find with the new word. So for that, first we will select a paragraph and then we will click on the find option. Now when we click on a find option, find and replace dialog box will come. Again see, to find, click on the find tab and type find what, type a word in this. Suppose I have to find AI word in my document, so I have written AI and then click on the find next. यहाँ पे find next बटन भी दे रखा है और एक बटन और दे रखा है, that is a find. सो अगर आप वन बाय वन सेलेक्ट करना चाहते सर्च करना चाहते तो फाइंड नेक्स्ट पे क्लिक करते जाइए. फाइंड ऑल टुगेदर में वो एक ही बार में आपको सारे हाईलाइट कर देगा. ओके, सो दिस वे वी कैन फाइंड द वर्ड्स. अगर वर्ड अवेलेबल होगा तो इट विल शोज यू सर्चिंग, और अगर अवेलेबल नहीं होगा तो मैसेज कर देगा कि द वर्ड इज नॉट इन योर सेलेक्टेड पैराग्राफ. ओके, नाउ सपोज वी हैव फाइंड एनी वर्ड. अब नाउ वी वांट टू रिप्लेस इट विद अ न्यू वर्ड, तो हम किस टैब पे क्लिक करेंगे? रिप्लेस टैब पे. देखिए, रिप्लेस टैब पे क्लिक करने पर फाइंड वर्ड में AI वर्ड ऑटोमेटिकली दे रखा है. नाउ इट इज़ शोइंग अस कि AI को किससे रिप्लेस करना है. ओके, देन वी विल टाइप दैट वर्ड इन द रिप्लेस टेक्स्ट एंड we will click on a replace or replace all button. Now I have written artificial intelligence in the replace with and replace all एक ही बार में सबको replace कर देगा और replace button simple click replace one by one. So it is your choice, you want to click on a replace or replace all. Okay, when you will apply it, see in this selected paragraph, everywhere AI word is replaced with the artificial intelligence. So this is the advantage of find and replace option. Now our topic is over today and this is the assignment for this week. Please do. Thank you.